Good morning to all. Myself Priyanka Nikam from JSPM Polytechnic Hadapsar, working as a lecturer in ENTC department. Now today we are going to discuss the experiment number 3. That is, the title of the experiment is construct AND or NOT gate using universal gate. Now first we are going to discuss the NOT gate using the NAND gate. So basically NAND gate is used as a universal gate. First we are going to design the NOT gate using NAND gate. So this is the logic diagram of NOT gate using NAND gate. So construction of this diagram is pin number 1 and 2 of NAND gate are connected together as an input and pin number 3 is given as a output. So by using this construction we are designing the NOT gate. So we are getting output as a NOT gate. That is, output of a NOT gate is when we are given the input as a 0, then output is coming 1. When we are giving input as 1, the output is coming 0. That is inverted output. That means we are designing here NOT gate using NAND gate. So next basic gate we are going to design is AND gate. So here we are going to design the AND gate again using NAND gate. So this is the logic diagram of AND gate using NAND gate. Here we are going to use the two NAND gates. This is the NAND gate number 1 and NAND gate number 2. The construction of this AND gate is, first we are going to connect pin number 1 and 2 to the input terminal. Pin number 1 is connected to the input number 1 and pin number 2 is input number 2. Then output of this NAND gate is collectively given to the input for this second NAND gate. So then finally we are getting the output on pin number 6 is connected, then pin number 6 we are going to connect to the output. So this is the construction of a AND gate using NAND gate. So we are getting the output for the AND gate. So AND gate output is when one of the input is 0, then output is 0 only. So here we have designed the AND gate using NAND gate. Then the last basic gate is OR gate using NAND gate. So this is the logic diagram of OR gate using NAND gate. Here we are using 3 AND gates. Now for first AND gate we have connected pin number 1 and 2, we are connected together and combinedly input is given for this NAND gate. Again for input number B, that is gate number 2, we have given pin number 4 and 5, we are togetherly connected and then given input to this gate. Then output of NAND gate number 1 and output of NAND gate number 2 are given to input as a third NAND gate. That is, pin number 3 is connected to the 9 and pin number 6 is connected to the pin number 10. That 9 and 10 are the input for third NAND gate. And finally the pin number 8 is connected to the output. So by using this construction, by using these 3 NAND gates, we have designed OR gate. So finally we are getting the output of OR gate. As we know, the OR gate's output is when one of the input is high, we are getting output over here is high. So from this diagram we have verified that by using NAND gate we have designed the OR gate. Now the practical implementation of this 3 gates we will discuss on kit. Now next we are going to design the all basic gate using the NOR gate. Now first is NOT gate using NOR gate. So this is the logic diagram of NOT gate using NOR gate. So here we are using the NOR gate. So pin number 2 and 3 are collectively input is given to the input side and Y is output. Here again this gate will work as a NOT gate. That is, we are getting output as an inverted output. That is, when we are giving input is 0, then output is coming 1, and when we are giving input is 1, then output is coming 0. So by using NOR gate, we have designed the NOT gate. Then our next gate is AND gate using NOR gate. For the construction of an AND gate, we are using the 3 NOR gates. Here we can see that we have used the 3 NOR gate for this construction. Now for this, first we have connected, for the first input we have connected pin number 2 and 3 are connected simultaneously to the input side. Then output of a pin number 1 is given to the given as an input for the third OR gate. Then again second input is pin number 5 and 6 are connected together, and output of a second NOR gate is given as an input to the third NOR gate. So here pin number 8 and 9 are given as a input to the third NOR gate, and pin number 10 is output. So by constructing this using this construction, we have designed the AND gate using NOR gate. So we can verify by using our truth table. That is, when one of the output is low, we are getting when one of the input is low, we are getting output is low. So we have designed AND gate using NOR gate. Then our last construction is OR gate using NOR gate. Here we have simply connected, we have simply taken the 2 NOR gates. In first NOR gate, we have given 2 inputs, input A and input B. The pin number 2 is first input, pin number 3 is second input. Then output of this NOR gate is given to the input. This output is collectively given to the input for next NOR gate. So we are getting the final output to the pin number 4. We are getting by using this construction, we are getting output for OR gate. We can verify this by using this truth table. That is, when one of the input is high, we are getting output over here is high. So by using 2 NAND gate, we can construct the by using 2 NOR gate, we are going to design the OR gate. So practical implementation of these all gates we are going to see on our digital trainer kit. So now we are going to design the NOT gate using the NAND gate. So this is the IC of the NAND gate, that is IC 7400. So this IC we can mount over here. Again, pin number 7 is connected to the ground. Pin number 14 is connected to the supply voltage. Then pin number 1 and pin number 2, these are connected to each other. Then it is given to the input side. Then pin number 3 is connected to the output. So our construction is done. So by using NAND gate, we have designed over here as the NOT gate. So we are going to observe the output of NOT gate. So now switch on the power supply. Now we are going to observe the truth table of NOT gate. When the input is 0, the output is coming over here is 1. Then when the input is 1, then the output is coming over here is 0. So by using NAND gate, we have designed the NOT gate by using IC 7400. Now next we are going to design the AND gate using NAND gate. We have mounted again the same IC 7400, that is the NAND gate IC. Now first pin number 7 is connected to the ground. Pin number 14 is connected to the supply voltage, that is VCC. Then pin number 1 is first input, pin number 2 is second input, then pin number 3 is given as a input to the pin number 4, collective input to the pin number 4 and 5. So we can connect pin number 4 and 5 each other, and pin number 6 is final output we are given to the output port. So here we have designed and constructed the AND gate using the NAND gate. So we can verify here the truth table of AND gate. Now switch on the power supply. Here when we are giving the input 0 0, the output is coming 0 only. Next we are giving input 0 1, then also output is 0. When we are giving input is 1 0, then output is coming also 0. And the last, when we are giving input 1 1, then only output is coming 1. So we have verified here AND gate. We have verified the truth table of AND gate by using NAND gate IC 7400. Now we are going to design the OR gate using NAND gate. Again we are using the same IC of a NAND gate, that is IC number 7400. The construction for this OR gate using NAND gate is, first we have to connect pin number 7 to the ground, pin number 14 to the VCC. Now pin number 1 and pin number 2 are connected each other, then it is given to the input 1. Again pin number 4 and pin number 5 are connected each other, and it is connected to the second input. Then output of the first NAND gate, that is pin number 3, is connected as an input for the third NAND gate, that is pin number 3 is connected to the pin number 9, that is 8 and 9. Pin number 3 is connected to the pin number 9. Then the output of a second NAND gate is then connected to the input for the third NAND gate, that is pin number 6 is connected to the pin number 10, as we can see here the diagram of the circuit. And the last pin number 8 is connected to the output. So here we have completed all our construction for OR gate using NAND gate. So we can observe the truth table of OR gate. Switch on the power supply. Then we can see the output over here. First we give the input as a 0 0. When input is 0 0, the output is also 0. When the input is 0 1, then output is coming 1. When the input is 1 0, then output is again 1. And the last, when the input is 1 1, then output is 1. So here by using NAND gate we have designed OR gate. We have verified the OR gate truth table. Now next we are going to design the NOT gate using the NOR gate. Now we are going to design the all basic gate using this IC, that is IC 7402 NOR gate IC. Now we mount this IC. Now first we are going to design the NOT gate using NOR gate. So first is pin number 7 is connected to the ground, pin number 14 is connected to the supply voltage, here pin number 2 and pin number 3 is connected each other, and we are giving it as a input, and pin number 1 is connected to the output. So the construction of NOT gate using NOR gate is done. So we can verify the NOT gate truth table. So here we are getting the output. When the input is 0, we are getting output 1, and when the input is 1, we are getting output is 0. So here we have verified NOT gate using NOR gate. Now next we are going to design the AND gate using NOR gate. Here we are using 3 NOR gates. So first we are going to connect the pin number 7 to ground, pin number 14 to VCC, then pin number 2 and pin number 3 are connected each other, and then it is given as a first input. Then pin number 5 and pin number 6 are connected each other, and it is given as second input. Then pin number 1, the output of a first NOR gate, that is pin number 1, is connected to the pin number 9, that is the input of third NAND gate, NOR gate. And pin number 4 is connected to the pin number 8. And the last, pin number 10 is connected to the output port, that is the final output. So here we have completed the construction of an AND gate using NOR gate. So we can verify the truth table of AND gate now. Switch on the power supply. Now here we can see when the input is 0, 0, the output is also 0. When the input is 0, 1, then also output is 0. When the input is 1, 0, then output is 0. When the input is 1, 1, then only output is coming 1. So by using NOR gate, we have designed the AND gate. Now our last gate we are going to design, that is the OR gate using NOR gate. For the construction of a OR gate using NOR gate, first pin number 7 is connected to the ground, pin number 14 is connected to the VCC, that is supply voltage. Again pin number 2 is the first input, pin number 3 is connected as a second input, then pin number 1 is connected to the pin number 5, that is the output of first NOR gate is given as a input to the second NOR gate, and pin number 5 and 6 are connected each other. Then last connection is pin number 4 is connected to the output. So here we have completed our construction for OR gate using NOR gate. Now we are going to verify the OR gate truth table. So switch on the power supply. Now here when we are given input is 0, 0, then output is coming 0. Second 0, 1, then output is coming 1. Then input is given 1, 0, then the output is coming over here is 1. And last, when we are given 1, 1 input, then also output is coming 1 only. So here we have constructed OR gate using NOR gate. So by using all this universal gate, that is NAND and NOR gate, we have completed our third experiment, that is construction of AND, OR and NOT gate by using the universal gate.